This video demonstrates the execution of the shell script to determine index of a character in a string using expr command. The problem statement of the shell script exercise is to develop a shell script to determine the index of a character in a string. Let us now observe the demonstration of execution of the shell scripts solving the problem. The file expr04 is opened by giving a command vi expr04 at the $prompt. The complete shell scripts available in the file expr04 are displayed by the VI editor on the screen. We shall try to understand the working of each shell script line by line in the file expr04. The first line of the script is a comment line. The comment line starts with hash character in Unix. The second line of the script is echo enter a string. This echo command will display the text enter a string on the terminal. The third line of the script is read yes. This read script will read the input from the standard input device and the input read will be assigned to the variable yes. The fourth line of the script is echo enter a character. This echo command will display the text enter a character on the display device. The fifth line of the script is read C. This read script will read the input from the standard input device and the input read will be assigned to the variable C. The sixth line of the script is an assignment script. POS equal to backquote expr index $s $c backquote. Backquote is used for command substitution. When the shell encounters a string between backquotes, it executes the command given inside the backquotes and replaces the backquoted string with the standard output of the command. In this assignment, expr determines the index of the character C in the string yes, and the resultant index is assigned to the variable on the left hand side, namely to POS. The seventh line of the script is echo script. Echo the string is $s. This echo script will print the text the string is as it is, and then in place of $s it will print the string yes. The eighth line of the script is also an echo script. Echo the character is $c. This echo command will print the text the character is as it is, and in place of $c it will print the value of C. The last line of the script is echo script. Echo the index of the character $c in the string $s is $POS. This echo command will print the text the index of the character as it is, then it will print the value of C, then it will print the text in the string as it is, then it will print the value of yes, then it will print the text is, then it will print the value of POS. Then we press escape:WQ in order to come out of the VI editor so that it returns to the $prompt after saving the file expr04. Now to run the script that is available in expr04, we give the command shexpr04. The scripts available in the file expr04 starts executing one by one. The shell displays a text enter a string. Then the user can input the string as script. Then the shell again displays a text enter a character. Then the user can give the input as I. Then the shell gives the output as the string is script, the character is I. The index of the character I in the string script is 4. The same shell script file is executed again by giving the command shexpr04 at the $prompt. Now this time the user gives the input as today and y. Then the output displayed by the shell script is the string is today, the character is y, the index of the character y in the string today is 5. Thank you.